Okay. Essay part 2 is a girl is twice as old as her brother. 2 years ago, the product of their age was 24. Find their age at present and 10 years hence. And the ratio of the age of the girl to her brother. First of all, in order to solve this question, let me use my report. Okay, number one. A girl BG is equals to twice of her brother 2B, and 2 years ago, that means the product their age was 24. 2 years ago. Brother becomes B minus 2 because 2 years back means ego means subtracting from the current age, and a girl is G minus 2, but girl is twice of her brother, that means 2B minus 2, and 2 years ago the product of their age is 24. The product of their age, that means brother times girl is equals to 24, but brother is B times girl is 2B minus 2 is equals to 24. 2 years ago, sorry, it is 2 years ago B minus 2. Okay, therefore when we multiply by B, it becomes 2B squared minus 2B by minus 2 minus 4B plus 4 is equals to 24. Collect like terms. 2B squared minus 6B plus 4 is equals to 24. Divide both sides by 2, and B squared becomes 2B squared becomes B minus 3B plus 2 is equals to 12 is equals to 12. Let's subtract 12 from 2, and this means again B squared minus 3B plus 2 minus 12 is equals to 0. Make it in the forms of quadratic equations. That means ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, 4. Therefore, it becomes again b squared minus 3b minus 10 is equals to 0. That means we can use by factorization method. We can solve this question by factorization method, or we can use among three methods of solving quadratic equation that are written in the forms of x squared plus bx plus equal to 0. Number one is factorization method. Number two is quadratic equation. Number three is complete square method. But it is easy to use factorization method. That means find the numbers whose sum is minus 3 and whose product is minus 10. Those numbers are x is equals to minus 5 and 2. That means minus 5 times 2 becomes 10, and minus 5 plus 2 becomes minus 3. Therefore, b minus 5 into b plus 2 is equals to 0. That means b minus 5 is equals to 0, or b plus 2 is equals to 0. But here b is equals to 5, or b is equals to minus 2. We have to omit the negative part. That means the age of her brother is b is equals to 5. B is equals to 5. But a girl is twice of her brother b is equals to 2 into 5 is equals to 10. She is 10, or she is 10 years old, while her brother is 5 years old. 5 years old. At present, that means at present, brother B is equals to 5 and a girl is equals to 10R. Okay, 10 years hence. That means after 10 years. 10 years hence. 10 years hence. Roman number 2. 10 years hence. That means B becomes B plus 10. That B is brother of the brother's age is 5 plus 10. It becomes 1 5. And girl is equal to, that means his sister is GB is equal to G plus 10. Her current age is 10. That means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. She will be 20 years old while her brother is 15 years old. After 10 years, the ratio of the age of a girl to brother. That means Roman number 3. That means find the ratio of girl to brother. A girl is 10 to brother is 5. That means 10 over 5. It means 10 over 5 is equals to 2. That means the ratio of their ages 2. This is all about question number 1. 10 years means after 10 years. At present means at the time of we are calculating right away. The ratio means making division of the given two ages. While question number says that the ratio of the ages of the top friend is 4 to 5. After 6 years, the ratio becomes 5 to 6. Find their age at present and after 6 years. Okay. In order to solve this question number 2. If the present age first friend will be the first friend B, that means becomes if the present age is x present, but the age of the first friend will be 4x, while the second friend will be 5x. If x be present age. Okay. Therefore, after 6 years, the first becomes after 6 years. After 6 years. That means the first becomes 4x plus 6. The second becomes 5x plus 6. The ratio becomes 5 to 6. The ratio becomes 5 to 6 ratio. The ratio will be 4x plus 6 to 5x plus 6 is equals to 5 to 6. That means 4x plus 6 over 5x plus 6 is equals to 5 over 6. Make it crisscross. Therefore, that means 6 into 4x plus 6 is equals to 5 into 5x plus 6. Therefore, 6 times 4x becomes 24x. 24x plus 36 is equals to 5 times x becomes 25x plus 30. Subtract like terms. That means 36 minus 30, which is equals to 25x minus 24x, and 36 minus x 30 becomes 6 is equals to 25x minus 24x x becomes 6. X becomes 6. Therefore, if Okay. 6 into 4x plus 6 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 6. That means 24x plus 6 is equal to 25x plus 30. That means 36. 36 minus 30 is equal to 25x minus 24x. Therefore, 6 is equal to x. 6 is equal to x. Therefore, first friend is 4x is equal to 4 into 6 is equal to 24 at present. At the time of speaking, or at the time we are doing this solution, this equation, this problem, the first friend age is 24, or that means he is 24 or he is 24 years old. The second is, that means 5x is equal to 5 into 6 is equal to 30 or 30. Okay. Roman number 2. After 6 years. After 6 years, that means first is equal to 4x plus 6. That means 4x is 24. 24 plus 6 is equal to 30 years old. He will become. The second friend will be 5x plus 6 is equal to 5x is 30. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. After 6 years, the first friend is 30. The second friend is 36. Thank you.